Do you want to become a professional in furniture design? Do you want to learn from the best? Do you want to learn new and professional ways of decorative modeling? Now the part for the first course of teaching furniture design with the best, fastest, and easiest program. Rhino program. Now in my page in Gumroad. A professional furniture designer will teach you step by step. Akmal El Gamal. This part is concerned with the design of decorative units for 3-axis CNC machines. The course begins with an explanation of the basic commands used in modeling. He walks with you, step by step, until we reach the complex shapes. The first 10 videos explain some of the commands frequently used in ornamental modeling. How to prepare the program interface in a way that allows us to work in an easy and faster way. How to import images to your scene. How to read it. How to analyze images. How to split surfaces and split edge surface. You will learn to draw curves and why we use curve interpolating points only. Learn how to draw a spiral. What is sweep 2 rails and sweep 1 rail? What does curve degree mean and how to control the quality and shape of the final surface? How to use the rebuild command and snap. How to use record history. 14 other videos, you will find that they are graded educational levels. You will learn how to model some simple shapes. And the difficulty of the shape increases gradually until you learn to implement images as if they were executed manually. With each video, there is a 3D file, as well as the image. Affordable price for everyone. You will find the course title in the video description. Now in my page in Gumroad. A professional furniture designer will teach you step by step. Akmal El Gamal. This part is concerned with the design of decorative units for 3-axis CNC machines. The course begins with an explanation of the basic commands used in modeling. He walks with you, step by step, until we reach the complex shapes. The first 10 videos explain some of the commands frequently used in ornamental modeling. How to prepare the program interface in a way that allows us to work in an easy and faster way. Rhino program. Now in my page in Gumroad. Or you can message me directly to get the course. The links is below in the video description.